In this guide, you'll learn how to reset the Instagram Explore page. Let's get started. Launch Instagram, navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Scroll down and head over to the option Content Preferences. From here, you can manage the content that's influencing your Explore page. Make sure any content you don't want to see is removed from the Interested section. If there is content you don't like, simply remove it. Next, head to the Not Interested section. This is where the settings become really useful. You can enter specific words or phrases you want to avoid on the Explore page. And you can also adjust settings for sensitive content or political content if that's something you want to filter out. Now click on the option Reset Suggested Content. Click on Next and go through the process. And that's it. With these settings, you'll be good to go. You have just reset the Instagram Explore page. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.